Why does your scanner show the P0105 engine code? What does it mean? P0105 is a diagnostic trouble code for manifold absolute pressure or barometric pressure circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that this ECU is detecting an issue with the electrical circuit of the MAP/BARO sensor. This sensor is crucial for measuring engine pressure and plays a vital role in the fuel injection system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty MAP or BARO sensor. Wiring and connector problems. Vacuum leaks. PCM malfunction. Bad throttle position sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, Kia, and Jeep models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.